we're going to talk about the coordinate plane. The coordinate plane. We're going to move on to symmetry and transformations and translations. But before we do that, we have to understand where those things occur. All right, and they occur within the coordinate plane. I'm going to be giving all of you a sheet of graph paper in a minute so that you can actually line these up. But here's what I would like you to do. I'd like everybody to take a ruler. Okay, the coordinate plane is made up of 4 quadrants, all right? And they don't go in a logical order. They actually go counterclockwise, all right? So we have here quadrant 1. Supposed to be an S. 1, okay? We'll abbreviate quadrant the rest of the way. Quadrant 2. Quadrant 3. And quadrant 4. Those are the 4 quadrants. And, okay, you should label those. Now, if you look at this, this is the x-axis, and this is, well, you can't see it because I moved it. And this is the y-axis, okay? X and the y-axis. All right. Notice that these numbers on this side are positive integers. These numbers on this side are negative integers. Numbers up here are positive integers and negative integers. All right? Okay. We talk about numbers in the coordinate plane in what are called ordered pairs. All right? We talk about numbers in the coordinate plane in ordered pairs. When we talk about ordered pairs, we go in alphabetical order. The first number in the ordered pair is on the x-axis. Okay? The second number in the ordered pair is on the y-axis. Everybody understand that? Okay, make sure you write that down. So the first number in the ordered pair is on the x-axis. The second number on the ordered pair is on the y-axis. So if I asked you to plot point 2, 3, okay? This is what you would do. You would go to point 2 on the x and to point 3 on the y, and that's where point 2, 3 would be. All right? Okay? If I ask you to plot point -3, 3, okay? Point -3, 3. Here's -3. And here's 3. That will be -3, 3. Why would it be -3, 3? Hector?
The first number is on the x-axis, so that would be negative.
Oh. Correct. If I ask you to plot point -4, -2, okay, that would be -4, -2 would be right here. -4, -2 here. Finally, if I ask you to plot point 3, -2, that would be here and here, and this would be 3, -2. given those ordered pairs that I just showed you, what can you tell me about the numbers in quadrant 1? They will always be what? John? Quadrant 1 integers will always be positive integers. That is correct. You better write this down. What can you tell me about quadrant 2? Anthony?
One would be positive and one would be negative.
Which, okay, one, yes, but, okay, you gotta state it better than that. Which one will be positive and which one will be negative?
Y would be positive and X would be negative and Y would be positive.
So, in quadrant 2, X is negative, Y is positive. Quadrant 3, what are you going to tell me about quadrant 3? Kristen? Both numbers in quadrant 3 will be negative. And how about quadrant 4? How about quadrant 4? John?
X is positive.
X is positive and Y is negative. By knowing what numbers you'll find in the quadrants, if you see a set of ordered pairs, you automatically will know which quadrant to go into. Everybody understand that? Yes or no? Any questions on that? Please. This is page 448, number 11, A, B, C, and D. Okay? This is letter A, I believe. Which was letter B?
B is
Right here?
Yes.
So this is exercise A. Really? No. Exercise A, exercise B, exercise C.
No.
No, C and D. Start. Oh, anyway, okay. So, back to this. This is letter A, right? In the book? Is this letter A? And this is letter B in the book?
Yes.
This is letter C?
No.
That's D, and this is letter C. Okay? In the book. Okay? What can you tell me looking at these two triangles and these two triangles? What can you tell me looking at letter A and letter D? Butter? I'm sorry? No, I'm not worried about congruency or anything. What can you tell me about them? No. I don't want you to name the triangle. What can you tell me about this and this triangle? What kind of triangle? Are they same, aren't they? Yes? I want you to see that these two, A and D, are the same. And these two, C and B, are the same. Does everybody see that? Yes or no? Okay. They are the same because they are slides of each other. Okay? Triangle A slides, triangle A slides to triangle D. Triangle C slides to triangle B, or vice versa. Does everybody understand that? Okay? We're introducing you to symmetry, reflections, translations, and slides. But before we do that, you need to understand where they fit in the coordinate plane. Okay? Does everybody understand? Yes or no? Everybody have any questions? Dan, do you have any questions? No? Okay. Look half asleep over there, Dan. You had a 3-day vacation. I don't know what more you need to sleep, but you know, I'm sure you slept it all away. So, A is a slide of D. C is a slide of B. Everybody understand that? Yes or no? Any questions on that?